zoning regulations or local laws need to be considered when you're selecting a site? What should people be looking for and wary of as
Yeah.
far as that goes?
Yeah. So most municipalities now have their zoning maps online. So you just want to make sure that you are in a commercial use zone and a commercial use that is not so uh, subdivided that your use is excluded.
Mhm.
Most just commercial highway are very broad for any sort of business to be conducted there. So
Mhm.
if it is anything other than any sort of commercial zoning, you need to call the town or the city office and
Mhm.
let them know, hey, look, I'm looking at this address and I want to know if a laundromat can be put there, a self-service laundromat or a laundromat that has, pick up, drop off, fully describe whatever your business is to make sure that your usage can go into that space.
Mhm.
Another big thing is impact fees. So if you go into a store that is not currently a laundromat and you have to increase the size of the water line coming in, you'll want to talk to the utility department, it's usually controlled again by the city itself, and ask them, okay, this is what's here. I need an inch and a half line. What is the cost for that? And again, that can be anywhere from maybe $10,000 to $110,000.
Mhm.
You'll want to make sure that the gas utilities are available. Um, we have bought stores that do not have natural gas
Mhm.
lines anywhere near or somehow restricted. We have a few around Fort Liberty and Fayetteville, North Carolina, where lines just can't run. And so we use propane at those sites, less profitable, but still not deal breakers. So
Mhm.
you'll want to contact your natural gas provider and make sure that you have availability if it is not already run to the space.
Mhm.
Those little things are just things that could be completely deal breakers if you get too far in, and
Yeah.
you could lose a lot of money before
Mhm.
making sure you check those boxes.